First time, this is the time for inner awakening. I went and I sat, went through each session and using maximum of time, and see that the all best things are added and shared with you guys. One, I wanted to upgrade the whole program to help more to all of you. Second, I wanted to prove all these things scientifically. I am venturing into the next step of identifying different physical parts of areas of the brain which is connected to the extraordinary powers and capacities, and proving that these parts get really awakened and hyperactivity happens in that area when you go through these processes. And literally you are radiating. When I say the hyperactivity, you should understand in the right angle. That word is used in a wrong way. Hyperactivity means enhanced activity. First step, list down the areas of your life you can express leadership. Means like in your family, in your office, in your job, in your wealth management, or in your hobbies. Sometimes you may be connected to some tennis club, cricket club, hobbies. What all the places, or you may be connected to some non-profit organization. What are the areas you think you can express leadership? What are the areas you think you have a scope of improving your leadership skills, like being an orator, ability to express in words who you are, ability to express in actions who you are. Just these two, pen down, then I lead you to the deeper. First I want you to understand the leadership, the practical purposes, practical utility of being a leader in your inner space. Come on, tell me, how many of you discovered something new you can do and express your leadership now when you pen down? Raise your hand. Come out and express. Share what all you think you can do. You don't need to tell me how you are going to do. That I'll tell you. You just tell me what you want to do. What do you think you can do? See, at some point you need to lose the fact or the idea you are having. It's not fact, the idea you are having. Your identity is solid. It is not. It is liquid. Only when you understand it is liquid, you will have the confidence you can create as you want newly. So many have actually picked up. So many are able to handle. Some of them actually did it in a very beautiful, smooth way, especially these kids. I'm so happy for these kids. These 6-7 people, they do not even have the fear that I am dismantling their identity. They don't even know. I am able to beautifully assemble. See, what fear you are carrying, Every time when you come for any session, these guys did not even have from first day, day one. Just simply they know it does good for us in the inner space itself, inner consciousness itself. Kind of an understanding that your identity is not solid makes the whole thing very easy. You can create as you want quickly. Then we can go to the next lesson. Next. I am really seeing every inner awakening I am making more and more compact. See, last inner awakening, see, the last previous, what I could teach in 21 days, last time I taught already almost in 10 days. Now I can say I have come down to 6 days. So now, more and more time means the more and more deeper, detailed, stronger things. It is like depending on the maturity of the person, we can just go next. Because there is so much can be done. There are so many dimensions of you can become a flower. So many things can become a fulfilled, or I can say the complete. Come on.
I kind of identified the areas where I'm a leader. So I looked at my people skills and the way I relate to people and how I present myself and draw information from others as well. And simultaneously how successful I've been in business. On that same note, I said I'm done with the corporate life. What would I like to do in the future is be a leader of momentum. That's what I'd like to do. And
you see, every dimension, I wanted to offer something to the world. This one dimension, still I am not able to start. I wanted a group of people to become management gurus. I am not interested that they should be under my organization. Some of you guys should pick up all the ideas I am teaching in your own language. Start teaching in various parts of the world. See, I am like a ocean. Too much. You take something which strongly clicks with you. You can't replicate all the things which I am teaching in these 21 days. Nobody can replicate. I can. But there are some things which has completely clicked with you, which you can assemble and create 2-3 days programs, workshops. Go around and start teaching. Have your own brand. You don't even need to mention my name. Just be management guru. You will bring so much of respect and life to Vedic tradition. Because whatever I am teaching is from the Vedic source. You don't need to mention my name, but mention the Vedic tradition name. Give the credit to the Vedic tradition. I'll really be happy if some of you guys become a management gurus. At least I wanted some 1,000 management gurus based on this Gita and Vedic tradition and whatever I am teaching. Hope you will be one. You all can think in your life. See, apart from your regular job, you can start doing weekend workshops. Today, you put your own way, whatever you learned or I expressed, you can just revolutionize the corporate world. Don't stop you drinking this nectar. Sprinkle at least on few people. Just like I have a huge wing of healers and teachers, satsang centers, I really feel, and of course, I don't expect these corporate gurus to be under my label. If you guys wanted to be under my label, great, no problem. But if you are interested in doing something on your own, do it. Nothing wrong. Let these ideas reach more and more people and places. People and places, and you sprinkle this nectar on more and more people. See, when you give like this 2-day workshop, you may not be able to completely enlighten them forever and all. But what you teach may be creating 3 weeks effect. That itself is a great. It's not a joke. If somebody is highly enthusiastic and energetic for 3 weeks, it's a great contribution. You added to them. Come on, anybody else? What all you guys feel you can do?
Same thing what you're telling me, the same thing was going on in my inner space, Swamiji. I just want to be an acharya. Like the way you express, like that. I mean, when we speak something, it should hit the other person's being. Like, I don't want to sit and take notes or refer some books and all. The truth, what I imbibe from you should become my bio-memory. Like, when I speak something, it should hit the other being. Like,
See, just if you sit and listen to what I am talking in awareness, you can see the words I am using is moving your being, you see.
you can literally feel so much, the energy
Literally,
behind your words.
the words I am uttering, God, He is hitting on the right spot. And all of you should know, I don't know English till 8 years before. I picked up English just like that, but that is a mystery, forget about it. That's different part. If you see my discourses 9 years, 8 years before, I come, you understand, we talk. That's all. No, when I first went to US, they wanted to have a translator. Even I wanted to have a translator. My first discourse was supposed to be in San Jose, public discourse. Some 30 people gathered. They wanted to have a translator. That they asked me, you speak in Tamil better? We will have a translator. I also said, all right. One day previous to my discourse. That day morning I got up from my bed and said, no, I am going to speak on my own. The organizer said, no, Swamiji, we have told too much about you to people. We promoted you too much. I said, nothing doing. I am going to talk. Simply I started, that's all. That's my first speech in English. In San Jose. First time I spoke in English coherently, or I think I have spoken coherently. Before that, 1 or 2 ASPs I tried in Bangalore, nothing worked out. I used to have one devotee who will supply English sentence for me. I'll ask again and again and talk. That's the way I was managing. That also was just few people, 1 or 2, and like a homegrown papaya, homegrown pumpkin. Whatever you grown in your home, you put it in a garage sale. That's the way I started. Whole mission I have started like a garage sale. Just chewing these great truths again and again. Manana. Internalizing, applying, makes nididhyasana. Expression, radiation.
So much. It's my longing desire to become an acharya, Swamiji.
Now, to be an acharya, my first thing, the word acharya means the person who is teaching what he is practicing. Guru does not need to practice what he is teaching, but an acharya need to practice. So go on internalizing what you are teaching. That's enough. Yes.
Thank you.
I was thinking of workplace as an opportunity for the one thing I did notice that at workplace it's not just leadership but also probably followership qualities. So it was unclear to me. If
No.
you
A
tend to-
perfect follower is a perfect leader.
So you're basically saying that both the qualities are one, and essentially one flowers, the other one flowers also.
That's all.
Like I never thought of myself as a leader as such. Like even all my friends say, Shreya can't be a leader because I'm not like very strong and stuff in my way of speaking. But then somehow when it comes to you, like if I have to take your name, I don't know from where it comes. Like there was this one guy who saw the first levitation video on YouTube and he told me, I think somebody morphed that video. And I don't know from where I was like, oh, so the scandal wasn't morphed, this was morphed. And then that guy, forget bringing up your name, he tells all his friends in advance only, this girl is a devotee.
Tell them that is marked, this is not. Come on.
So, like, I mean, when it just basically it comes to your name, I can, it's not just yelling at him. Like, I get this power from I don't know where, and this guy, like,
I think you see, the power you have when you talk about me is love for me. That should become love for my teachings also.
yeah,
Then you'll become a leader, that's all.
like last year, I was thinking maybe I could do a thesis research or something.
We can start a program called Friendship Transformation. So kids can have their own Facebook, their own Orkut, Twitter and all that. Inspire other kids and friends for transformation. And same way we can create a set of concepts and ideas, ma'am. Upload it to the website. Anybody wants to develop their own management course from this. You develop on your own and teach. We only request you to give credit to the Vedic tradition, not to me. No need to. If you feel somewhere using my name will help your brand, use it. If you feel that is not going to help you, then use Vedic tradition's name. But sprinkle this nectar on people. So much can be contributed. You see, you don't even need to talk about enlightenment and all that. Just the practical truths which you learnt in these 21 days, which you are going to be learning. Concepts on wealth. You can have one session on wealth. Whatever, if spoken 100 ideas, you will remember at least 40, 50. Those wealth concept and this relationship and leadership ideas. Just these great truths. Pick it up and share with the world. Sprinkle this nectar. I can say that will be one of the greatest service you will do to the society and to the Vedic tradition. You can make money. You don't need to give free. We are missing Vedic tradition based management gurus. I feel if we need to keep the tradition, Vedic tradition alive, we need at least 1,000 management gurus based on Vedic tradition. Who are cool guys with jeans and t-shirt going around. So, I think we need more and more management gurus. Okay. Start, that's all. Starting is 50% job done. Now suddenly 2 days before I decided and declared to my group, every month I am going to do inner awakening. They said, no, Swamiji, I will be inspire and get people enrolled. I said, I don't bother about that. Bringing people, I don't care. I am every month, I am fixing date. I will come to the Chit Sabha morning and sit and start talking about inner awakening sessions. That's all. If there are people sitting in front of me, they can go through the process. Otherwise, I am going to come and sit and start the class. That's it. You will see now, from July, after the Kailash Yatra, every month inner awakening. I have decided and declaring. Simply you will see, at least 100, 200 people will be sitting. It is just we doing. So, there are so many people in need. I have decided every month inner awakening.